I'm here with John Benz from Furman. Furman's well known for its power management systems. Power manage is not a household name at all here in Europe. It's basically a system that's used in the US and in Latin America, but not very much here in Europe. Maybe you can give us a little bit of the background of what you actually do.
So power management, the way we do it, is really for professional installations. We have a residential line and a commercial line. What we're talking about here is essentially protection. That's the key thing that we do, is protection of connected equipment. As an integrator and installer professional who's putting in a system, you want to make sure that system is protected from the power. You have things from lightning, voltage conditions, AC line noise, voltage irregularities, all kinds of different anomalies that can happen on the power line that can be an issue for an installed system. So we have a lot of different solutions to address those problems. You can see here our residential line, and we have everything from just basic power management here at the bottom that gives you surge protection, line filtration to get rid of line noise that can corrupt the performance of AV equipment, all the way moving up to at the top here our flagship unit, which has balanced power, power factor correction, all kinds of technologies to make sure that the equipment is performing well and that it's protected from all the things that can happen to it from the AC line. You think about all the technology that we have right now, the growth in technology, all the great new things, but they're still running off the same power that we've been running off of for the last 100 years. Power hasn't changed. So we got to fix that. And often the power can be the bottleneck to the performance of the system. As we move up into nicer components, into better systems, the audio quality can actually be impacted by the noise on the AC line, the distortion, components within the facility or within a house that are bringing noise and feeding noise into each other. So there's lots of different concerns, and we address them all at Furman with our power management solutions. This is a balanced power, as I mentioned. This is a voltage regulator, so that will give you a stable 230 volts out with a wide capture range of voltage coming in. This has power factor correction, which is going to give power amplifiers and subwoofers the current they need when they need it. So you get the oomph, you get the great bass tonal response, so protection and performance with our residential line.
This is the residential, is home theater, home cinema line.
Yes.
This is the professional line.
This is the professional line here, and we come from the pro audio world. We've been around for 35 years, so we know pro audio very well. We do everything from integrated installed systems, pro audio, to music studios. In fact, this unit here is a balanced power unit made for use in a music studio where you really need a very low noise floor. But outside of that, we have voltage regulators, again, for maybe a live sound situation. You might be at a festival where you're running off generator power. Generator power can be a big problem, as many integrators and musicians know, out there doing the summer festivals, and you can run into a few different issues there. So that's why we offer up to 30 amps of power, regulated power, with our power conditioners. These are kind of our bread and butter units. These are conditioners that do filtration protection for general installations. Down at the bottom here you have sequencers, and that's often used in installed sound systems when you have power amplifiers that need to turn on before the speakers, or you need to avoid a current inrush so that you don't trip the circuit breaker or blow a fuse when you bring everything on. This will sequence the power so that it comes on in the right order. So again, wide variety of solutions. At Furman, we are available to answer any questions or help you spec in the right solution for your system. We know power can be a complex beast, so you can call us up and tell us what kind of installation you're working on, and we'll help you spec in the right system.
But the technical specs, they can find that on the website. If they want to contact, they'll find the person closest to them to
Absolutely.
Make a contact.
Yep.
And get the
Yeah, and we have distribution pretty much all across Europe and all through the world. And you can always contact us factory direct as well. We're happy to talk to our customers.
John, it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much for this overview. Thank you.
Thank you.